The EcoFuture Project is funded by Prima and aims to develop a climate change adaptation strategic plan. This plan is oriented towards improving the socio-economic welfare of the people in the Jordan Valley and the Mediterranean region as a whole. EcoFuture aims to demonstrate innovative solutions that address desertification and optimize the water-energy-food ecosystem nexus through pilot demonstrations. The Palestinian section of the Jordan Valley is under extreme water scarcity conditions, where the water supply is 58 million cubic meters per year, and the demand 192 million. Most of the water supply is obtained from local groundwater, which is of poor quality with high salinity and nitrate levels. In addition, its water levels have been continuously declining the past 40 years. Wastewater reuse in agriculture accounts for only 1.3% and rainwater harvesting for 4.6% of the total water use. The region is in urgent need to identify new water sources, as well as improve the management and treatment of existing ones. To address this challenge, a demonstration pilot site was established in Marj Najeh. Marj Najeh is a Palestinian village in the Governorate of Jericho. Marj Najeh has 800 people population. It lacks a proper sanitary sewage system. Residents are forced to rely on primitive methods for waste disposal, such as cesspits, increasing the risk of disease and groundwater contamination. In addition, the village is economically dependent on agriculture, and due to limited water resources and the increased impact of climate change on precipitation in the region, irrigated agriculture is 52% of the total agricultural area. The current water supply is highly saline and can no longer support cash crops. The Palestinian Pilot is using a two-prong approach to address the water scarcity problem of the area. The first involves wastewater treatment using compact treatment units, and the second, the upgrade and reoperation of an existing abandoned desalination unit. The water produced will be used to irrigate the cash crops around the village. However, the constraints are that the groundwater is highly saline and must be desalinated to provide water for cash crops. Electricity is expensive and unreliable. The village lacks a sewage grid. The pilot has laid the main sewage line, which residents of a specific neighbourhood will be able to connect from their homes. The sewage line conveys sewage from the neighbourhood to an off-grid solar-powered 10 cubic meters per day capacity wastewater treatment facility developed by Laguna Innovation in cooperation with the Arava Institute. Desalinization of local groundwater mixed with the treated wastewater will increase the amount of water available for agriculture and enable farmers to produce cash crops in greenhouses, increasing local food supplies. The power needed to run the treatment unit and the desalination pump will be supplied by clean solar energy. The Marj Najeh pilot demonstrates the potential to achieve water, energy and food security while enhancing ecosystem services and social resilience. The Palestinian EcoFuture Pilot Site is an exemplary case study of the optimization of the WEFE Nexus and provide a viable alternative that prevents groundwater degradation, water supply for agriculture, while utilizing solar energy to cover energy needs.